this is how we jive for mass communication. Here again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download any song in your YouTube music. In this case you have to have account, obviously a premium account. So in this case I go to YouTube music. You want to download offline. For example, you are going to travel another country, you may not have internet those places, or you are in plane, you want to listen your favorite music but you don't have internet, Wi-Fi in some plane or most of the plane. So in this case you want to listen your favorite music. Go to the song that you want to download, a whole playlist you can download. Here I put one song here, One and One by Robert Miles. We are inside the song. I pause this one. I go behind. So this song is fine. I have here. Or without playing, you can do the same. Here you have three dots. You have to hit this three dots. You see many options you have, including the download option. So I hit here, download. So you see it's downloading in my phone, is done. Library, I go inside library, you see here download folder, I hit this one. You see I have download song, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I will off in plane mode. Here we go, all is off. I'll put the song, let's see. Hit play. This song I can't play because I don't have this song in my phone. So I go to download folder, playlist. You see this, all this song I have in my phone downloaded. I'm offline, I hit play. So it's working. Very easy and simple, guys. So you can listen your favorite song even without internet, offline, very simple in YouTube music. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.